Huh? This is fun.
We went on all of the kids' rides, like this one. We went on the other one. The both other ones that we just went on right now.
Oh, okay.
Except the other one. Except that one that we started. Except Rub-a-Dub Dub.
Rub-a-Dub Sub.
Rub-a-Dub Sub. Why are you filming? Where's the mouse go? You know where the mouse is? You're gonna drop the phone. Oh!
We saw Mickey Mouse in Disney. We saw Mickey Mouse and it's not Disneyland.
No, it isn't. Mouse, it's just a mouse. Oh my God!
We saw Mickey Mouse and it's not Disneyland.
It's not Mickey Mouse.
What's his name then?
Mouse.
Mousy?
No, nothing. No name. That's the mouse. Just a mouse. He has no name.
His name is probably Ernie the Mouse.
Ernie the mouse. That makes no sense. I want Elmo because we didn't run Elmo.
Okay, Mousy.
Fine, no. Come on.
You still see him anywhere?
No, he's this way. Oh, where's the mouse? I saw it. A bat? I think it's inside there. It's inside there.
Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day at Sesame.
Yeah, someone's house. Someone's house.
Where is it? Let's go. Okay, switch places over here.
I want to get on the high side.
One.
Oh.
Yeah, you're not supposed to.
Okay. Okay, Mama. Okay, Savanna, come on. I already took many pictures.
Okay.
What? Ooh, that's scary.
Oh, what's behind you?
Oh, who's that guy?
Spaghetti. That one.
Oh, okay, go to him. Go to him now.
Spaghetti.
What's his name? Spaghetti.
I don't know. It's not spaghetti. It's something else.
This one? Just spaghetti?
This is supposed to be spaghetti, but it's
Okay.
spaghetti.
Okay, go see Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster. It's Ernie and Oscar and Ernie. Oh, he's got lots of candy. Crazy mama. Oh yeah? Okay, come on. Uh-oh, we're at the top. Uh-oh, coming down. That's it, we're done. Wait.
What's it for?
Flight is now ending. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the rocket comes to a complete stop. Please use caution when exiting the rocket. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day at Sesame.
Savanna, no. The sun? Yeah.
I see Count Dracula on my bed.
Yeah. Going. Come on, we're going. Come on. Go find a rocket. Come on. There's one right there. Are you gonna control it?
No.
Here we go.
Oh, we can see it better. Oh, it's so cute. Oh man, and this is here.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Right there. We saw Mickey Mouse.
It's not Mickey Mouse. It's just a mouse.
Wait.
Where'd the mouse go? You know where the mouse is? You're gonna drop the phone. Oh!
We saw Mickey Mouse in Disney. We saw Mickey Mouse and it's not Disneyland.
No, it's mouse. It's just a mouse. So adorable. Oh my God.
We saw Mickey Mouse and it's not Disneyland.
It's not Mickey Mouse.
What's his name then?
Mouse.
Mousy?
No, nothing. No name. That's the mouse. It's just a mouse. He has no name.
His name is probably Ernie the Mouse.
Ernie the mouse. That makes no sense. I want Elmo because we did another Elmo.
Okay, Mousy.
Fine, Elmo. Come on.
You still see him anywhere?
No, we need this. Oh, where's the mouse? I saw it. A bat? I think it's inside there. It's inside
Use
there.
caution when exiting the
Someone's house. Someone's house.
Where is it? Let's go look for the mouse. Let's go look for the mouse. Where's Mickey? Mickey, come out, Mickey! Mousy! Mickey, this is not Disney.
And it's not Mickey Mouse.
I saw Mickey Mouse and it's not Disney.
It's just a tiny little mouse down there.
Where to now?
Where do you want to go?
You tell me, it's your
Can
birthday.
we go meet up with Agnes and Dad?
We should go over there to that one ride.
No, I need not that stand.
What?
There's a little stand.
Ah, Mama, you've been in scarier rides. You've been in scarier rides than that. Oh, Alex should take a picture there for his pumpkin pitch.
There's a ghost. My hands are no fuel. Can you see that? My hand went fuel hand.
Okay, let's go to the right.
I love trash.
You love trash? I'll give you some. I have some at home. I'll give you some trash if you love trash. Trash. I love trash.
Who loves trash? What's that say? This and why does it say that?
Because all the boxes say this end up.
And that one says I love trash.
Yeah.
And half of them say I love trash. Now let's meet up with
Okay, come on. We go to that right, okay?
No, I want to go
It's
back.
not scary, Mama. Trust me. Would you trust me?
No, I want to meet up at that one ride that Agnes go at. Not the ride, but like that.
Let's go try that ride, okay?
No, please.
Mama,
I'm trying to go on that one with Agnes is.
which one?
Where Agnes is right now, the way.
Thank you for riding Rub-a-Dub Sub. The ride is now ending.